over here with neighbor Jimmy again. We're going to take out these bushes. I've wanted to take out these bushes for years. Not because I really mind the bushes, because they look like they're fun to take out.
Absolutely.
I just don't like them. I want them out.
Yeah, now, some of you folks are probably saying, well, why don't you have the grapple on? Well, the grapple would be great for this, there's no question, but I thought it would be great to show the tooth bar. The tooth bar is a lot cheaper than the grapple, a lot easier to get through the finance committee.
Especially me.
My finance committee is pretty easy, so I was able to get that through pretty easily. But you can get this tooth bar, heavyhitch.com, 5% discount with coupon code. Yeah, you know it. TTWT. That's right. It's a little over $300, I think. Let's see what it'll do.
This may actually get more roots too.
Roots.
Than the grapple.
Well, I don't know, but it'll tear this stuff up, I think.
Yeah.
Now, we did a project like this the very first day we had our tooth bar. We'll put a link to that video in the description. When comparing these, I just realized that having a little more experience really makes the job go faster.
That's pretty amazing. I'm not sure where he's going to go with them. Jimmy's burn pit's getting a workout this spring. It's not going to take too long.
No.
It's taking him longer to move it around back to your burn pit.
I know, that's pretty awesome. It's going to look totally different with all those out.
Yeah.
Now I'm actually going to have to work on some landscaping.
You've been working a lot, just mostly inside.
I know.
Now, these bushes had been here, well, we moved in 1996 and they were here. I presume they were installed just after the house was built in 1986 or 7. So I expected big stumps, big roots, really a difficult time getting these out. There were lots of roots, but all of them were small and I was able to break them off pretty easily. So for me, sometimes it's hard to predict just how difficult the project's going to be.
He's only been at this for a few minutes, and it's really not taking very long. It would have taken a long time without the tractor to get those things out.
At this point, I was trying to be careful not to dig into the ground. I didn't want to put a bunch of dirt on his fire pit.
I love destroying stuff. You got anything else I can tear up, Jimmy?
Oh yeah, there's plenty. Plenty around here.
I love tearing up stuff.
We can tell.
It's like Christmas.
Yeah.
We are so thankful to have Jimmy as our new neighbor. I'm convinced we're going to have a lot of fun together.
You're going to have a big pile on your burn pile.
I don't know if he's putting it all in burn pile, if he's moving it back into the back.
I don't know.
It's not as steep as I thought it would be. After you got all, I thought it would kind of drop straight off. Yeah. Add a tracks, a load of dirt right here, level this out, and then fade it out. I think it'd kind of fill it in here. That way it's a little bit easier to mow.
Still got a lot of roots in there we need to get out. These things have been trimmed a lot over the years.
Now I'm beginning the process of trying to dig out the roots a little bit. Really still don't want to dig into the dirt too much. So for this stage in the project, you just want to take your time. The moment for brute force is over. Requires a little more finesse now to work on these details.
Oh, look. A little mouse.
I see him. Oh my goodness, there were mice living in there. Mouses, that's dumb. Mice.
There goes one there and there.
They're like, hey, you ruined my house. Yeah, there's one right here. I bet it was nice and thick in there for them so they could.
There's a hole up there. Start shooting out of it.
It's hard to see how far the teeth stick out from the seat of the tractor. I was concerned that I might run them under that concrete and tear it up accidentally.
Up here too. How many is there? There was a colony. Ah, here we go.
Whoa!
They're running out of them. Oh, they're going in under your deck. Under your front porch.
Well, it's coming out next, so.
Yeah.
Shovel, I guess.
Now, it seemed like the project was done quite a while ago, right? We find that it takes a lot more time to do the detailed cleanup work than it does the initial major removal. The grapple would pick up these scattered roots a little easier, perhaps, but this is doing a pretty good job. Notice it's the teeth that's able to grab the roots. Without those teeth, the bucket really wouldn't be able to do much with them.
Okay, Christy, do I just about have the roots out good enough?
Jimmy's the homeowner.
See, it's one thing to have to get them out good enough for you, Jimmy, but it's another thing to have to get them out good enough for my wife.
That's right.
About got those, Jimmy.
I know, man, it made quick work of it. For
You
sure.
really did. Really did. Look, folks, if you need to do work like this, if you can't afford to grapple, take a look at the tooth bar from Heavy Hitch. It's a lot cheaper than a grapple. It's simpler. You don't have any hydraulics, additional hydraulics to add or anything. And wow, it'll tear up something.
Yeah. Amazing how fast.
Yeah, we've spent maybe, 20 minutes on this to get it this far. And now it looks like maybe mostly handwork, so I think it's time for me to go to the house.
You started this. I think you need to help finish it.
Always quitting on me. Always quitting on me.
It's a theme with him, Jimmy.
Yeah, that's all right. He gets all the fun on the tractor and then leaves.
Exactly.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, take a look at our website. You'll see information about the tooth bar, about the grapple, about the mower deck, all kinds of information like that. TractorTimeWithTim.com. And we'll see you next time on
Tim
Tractor Time. What?
Tractor Time with Tim and Jim. Jim gets no tractor time.
Okay, we'll get that this time. And we'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim and Jim.
We got to work on that a little bit.
Yeah. Where is he? Oh, there he went. Man, I can't catch the bunny rabbit.
He's cute, isn't it?
Oh, he is.
There you go.